Welcome to today's video where we compare Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, and Patreon to see which platform can maximize your earnings in 2025. Let's dive into a comparison of features. Each platform offers unique tools that cater to different types of creators. Next, who are the users of each platform? Understanding your demographic can be key to your success. Each platform provides different monetization options. Let's explore what's available on Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, and Patreon. Now, let's break down the fee structures and payout rates for each platform to see where you can earn the most. Case studies can shed light on successful creators. How have they leveraged these platforms? Community engagement tools can significantly impact your earnings. Let's look at how each platform facilitates this. What does the future hold for creator monetization? Here are some trends to watch for in 2025. In summary, let's quickly go over the pros and cons for each platform, aiding your decision. Finally, based on our analysis, here are some recommendations tailored to your specific needs as a creator.